If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a.
Sir, you're on mute.
Acute angle, okay? Where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. This is given to us in the question. We know the formula, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay, our theta is 2a. So tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. Substitute this. Substitute 1, okay, instead of tan 2a. So cot 90 minus 2a is equal to, instead of tan 2a, I am writing cot 90 minus 2a, okay, from 1 is equal to cot a minus 18. We can cancel out this cot and this cot. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Send this 18 to that side and a to this side. 3a plus 2a, 90 plus 18. Because if it is minus on this side, if it will go to, okay, this side, it will become plus. This is also minus on this side. If you go to that side, it will become plus. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, and division will become multiplication. Now 18 plus 90 will be 108. A plus 2a will be, you have learned variables, right? A plus 2a will be 3a. Now send this 3 to that side. A is equal to 108 by 3. Divide 108 by 3. A is equal to 36. Now, if tan A is equal to cot B, okay, if tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angle, A and B are less than 90, okay, you have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, you have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So in this triangle, let this be A, this be B, and this is C. So angle A plus angle B should be equal to 90. We have to prove it. So first of all, write what is given. This is the process. First, write given to prove, then proof. Okay, given. What is given to us? Tan A is equal to cot B. To prove, what we have to prove? A plus B is equal to 90. If you write till here, you will get 1 mark. Okay, you will get 1 mark if you write till here. Now we have to prove. Okay, so first we will write given tan A is equal to cot B. Okay, it is given to us. Now we can apply the formula. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Now I remove cot from both sides. 90 minus A is equal to B. Send this A to that side. 90 is equal to A plus B. So finally, A plus B is equal to 90. Hence, proved. If A, B, and C are interior angles of a triangle. A, B, and C are interior angle of a triangle. ABC. Okay, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Now, what are interior angles of a triangle? This is a triangle. This is 90 degree. This and this. If sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to, remember it's always equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So let this triangle be some ABC. Okay, if you add all the angles, you will get it as 180 degree. So what is given to us? Given is A, B, C are interior angles of triangle. Okay. Then A plus B plus C will be equal to, sum of all angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees, right? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees.
180 degrees.
Now I am going to divide, okay? Divide it by 2. So A, B, okay, plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. Clear till here? I can divide it. Can I divide it like this? Yes, definitely I can divide it. So this will be 90, right? 180 divided by 2 will be 90. Now in the question C, it is A plus B whole divided by 2 and C by 2. So I am going to split it now. A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
I can do it like this, right?
Yes.
I can split it. We have learned this in our class 8. Now, I will send this C by 2 to that side. So A plus B by 2 is equal to 90. This is plus. If it goes to that side, it will become minus c by 2.
Minus.
Now I am going to apply tan. Tan is here. Cot is here. Okay. I will apply tan. So applying tan on both sides. Okay, I'm applying tan on both sides. So tan A plus B by 2 will be equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. Is it clear till here? Now, tan 90 minus theta is equal to
Cot theta.
cot theta. Apply the formula. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. We have to show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Here we got it. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Therefore, hence proved. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is an important question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This question will be there again in your intermediate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
learn it this year also and next year.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Afan, please mute yourself. Next question. Okay, you have to express sine 75 plus cos 65 in terms of angle between 0 and 45. Just you have to show them, okay, in angles between 0 and 45. How can we do that? Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. One formula. So sine 75 will be equal to cos 90 minus 75. What is 90 minus 75?
15.
Cos 15. Next. So we got one. Sine 75 will be equal to cos 15. Now cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Right. So cos theta is 65. So cos 65 will be equal to sine 90 minus 65. What is 90 minus 65? What is 965?
25.
Sine 25. So we can substituting 1 and 2. So sine 75 will become cos 15 and cos 65 will become sine 25. So now it is between 0 and 45. Right, 15 is also between 0 and 45 and 25 is also between 0 and 45. Hence proved. This is your answer. This question is very much important.